award. What exactly is this award? Can you tell us something about it and what is the purpose
Um,
of NRA?
I think the simple thing is that the country is respecting all the and felicitating, of course, all the Indians who live outside of India. So it's kind of nice that when you leave India and you go plant roots elsewhere, that you never really forget the home country, or actually the home country doesn't forget you. So it's a nice plus.
But you're not a very particular kind of a thing, or you don't normally attend. But then I think so. After Lakshmi being a hit, like, are you seen a little bit around, like,
I think
making you feel happy?
what you've said is very accurate, but usually right around the release of my film I try and make myself as visible as possible, so this is another step in that direction. But I do want to point out that the NRA experience is very close to me because I've been an NRI, so I can actually understand what it is to live outside the country for a very long period of time and then come back. So that's why I said yes to show up here tonight.
Are you receiving any award, in fact? Like, or you are giving what? Any role are you playing in it?
I'm going to be giving an award, but I should be receiving an award. I'm one of the original NRAs, so maybe we'll change that. How about I give the award to myself? Yeah?
I think you deserve.
Thank you.
Oh, maybe sir, may I?
Yeah. Okay, done.
Definitely.
I,
You can
just NRI of the Evening Award. Done. Okay. Thank you.
How you
I want to
feeling
thank
your
my
first
mother.
film being a hit, in fact, like the Lakshmi being appreciated all over the world, in fact, and it has won so many awards. How does it feel, like, very first film and lots of acknowledgement?
Of course, it feels amazing and it feels like out of the world. It's my first film, and it getting appreciated all over the world and not just our country is something that we are very proud of and very excited. So I am very happy.
ताकि जैसी फिल्म को जब अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है, मे बी कमर्शियली एज वेल एज, तो थोड़ी हिम्मत और बढ़ती है कि इस तरह की फिल्में, इनफैक्ट लाइक यू हैव बीन ऑलवेज बिलीविंग इन लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ सिनेमा, थोड़ा अलग हो, थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो आप नॉर्मली?
सी मैंने हमेशा यही सोचा कि ऑडियंस को चॉइस देना चाहिए. एक ही टाइप के फिल्में बनाते जाएंगे, सो द ऑडियंस ऑल्सो डजंट ग्रो एंड द ऑडियंस डजंट गेट एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंट थिंग्स. मैंने हमेशा यही कोशिश की कि कम से कम अपने नज़रिए से जो स्टोरीज़ देखता हूँ, जो कहानियाँ बताना चाहता हूँ, आई गो अहेड एंड डू दैट. रीचिंग द ऑडियंस इज़ ऑलवेज अ चैलेंज, एंड छोटी फिल्मों को ऑडियंस तक पहुँचने का बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. स्पेशली इस फिल्म में कम से कम 1 साल लग गया करते करते, तो एक्चुअली मैं बहुत थक चुका हूँ एट दिस पॉइंट. बिल्कुल रिलीज़ के बाद अब जाके बस 1-2 हफ्ते कहीं आराम करूँगा, फिर अपने अगले फिल्म के बारे में सोचूंगा.
Which is the easier part, singing or acting?
Which is the easier part. See, acting takes way much more time than singing. Singing हम जाते हैं 2-2.5 घंटे में ख़त्म हो जाता है मैक्सिमम गाना रिकॉर्ड करना. But for acting, months of preparations go on. So yes, it is more difficult for me because I had been a singer.
Nagesh, today also there was a news in the paper, like, one of the girls, she was forced into prostitution. I don't know, if you read it. How do you really feel? See, definitely you try to create an awareness, but then what is really that we're trying to lack, and what is the what exactly the message has been conveyed, but then when you see these kind of incidents happening, what is the feeling? Because you may have seen it more closely, in fact.
See, the one thing I want to point out is somehow the atmosphere that's been created in India is a very strong escapist atmosphere. We don't want to do anything, we don't want to have to do anything with reality. And I find that a little disheartening in terms of, not taking 2 hours out to come and deal with a topic that is so horrific. And I just feel that we've become so numb to everything that goes on around us. I just hope Lakshmi is a small drop in that bucket which creates a little bit of awareness and tells people that there are some truths that we cannot ignore. So, thank you.
आराम करने के बाद
आराम करने के बाद आपसे आके बात करूंगा मैं.